to DeFi, degens, drip, and farm for poverty, where on this channel, our vision is to empower the impoverished by helping you find financial freedom through crypto assets. Please subscribe and leave a comment and a thumbs up. Hey guys, welcome back to DeFi, degens, drip, and farm for poverty. So today, literally just asking what you guys are doing. So the Forbes magazine and what is this other one? CNN Money have talked about this latest crypto crash and how prices can go lower than where they currently are at right now. So right now, speculators are saying this might be kind of like a bear trap. Bear trap is basically where prices kind of dump off and then they rally back up temporarily, and it looks as though we're getting a correction, and really it's just kind of false advertising so that institutional investors can dump on retail investors. Don't really know how that plays out in crypto as much because it's a much smaller market, but a lot of the analysts say that we are going lower than we are now. So how much lower, nobody knows. Everybody's expecting Bitcoin to get back down to 11 to 13,000 because that is a 90 some odd percent retracement from its all-time highs. What does that have to do with drip? Well, as you know, BNB and all of the other altcoins and tokens are tied to the price volatility of Bitcoin. So if this drops another 20, 30, what is that? I would just call it 50% from here. Then these could drop as well. And that will directly impact drip. So the question for you guys is, are you buying the dip right now? So are you buying the dip drip? So right now, I think this is the lowest I've ever seen it. We're now officially in the sevens, and there hasn't been a lot of buy pressure to combat this. So the last time we had a big order of buys was about 5 days ago. Not a big order, but enough buys. And we're looking at the volume right now on drip. So I think people are just waiting. There's capital on the sidelines. I know if you listen to some of the other drip whales, they talk about the money that people have on the sidelines waiting to get in. And also, I think they're also waiting to have the farms on pause. So right now, there's no place for them to put the capital besides in drip. And if nothing stops drip from selling off, if you're a whale with a lot of money, think of that logically. Let's say you got 100 grand that you could buy in right now, but there's no other utility for drip, and you've been seeing for the past 5 months approximately a 1 to 2% sell-off every day, and you know that's going to continue until there's other utility for drip. So if that's the case, then you would just hold your capital and wait until that utility gets announced, or it creates a price floor that you find more attractive. So as of right now, we are still sitting above that level that we had from the last what do you call this, run up, I guess you could say, because we touched down at around the 3s, 3, 5, where are we at here? That says 13. Here it is. Yep. So this was around 5.5, 5.26. So we're getting close. And I mentioned in the video the other day that, yeah, depending on how long the farms stay paused, we're going to continue to go lower. So question is, are you buying drip at these bargain basement prices? I wish I had more dry powder on the sidelines. So that's one of the things I told you guys in one of my lessons learned. Definitely keep money on the sidelines. The problem with keeping money on the sidelines, though, is it's difficult. So you want to have it available to buy, but you also want your money working for you. So there's an opportunity cost to keeping like BUSD or USDT. Well, we won't go there on that one. Let's just call it BUSD, keeping that in your wallet. And you know that inflation in the macro economy with fiat is sitting around 8 to 10%. So you don't want to keep it in your bank. You definitely want to put it in crypto and find a place where you can make yield on it that outweighs the inflation. So it's hard to keep it on the sidelines and then not have it do anything for you, because if you're not staking it somewhere that you can actually earn yield on it, then it's technically wasted. So it's better to get into the asset and, like in this case, drip, and be able to at least get the 1% per day. So that's what I typically do. I kind of just go all in. Stunner Breezy says bring your sledgehammer. So I just go in hard, and then, hope and wish I had some more money on the sideline. So it's a difficult play, but just definitely something you guys need to think about when you're speculating and what you want to do with your investments. I am, however, looking at another opportunity for an interest arbitrage. So I am not recommending this as financial advice, but I'm going to try to do like the wealthy do and leverage debt, because I do 100% believe that this is going to reverse. I just don't know when. So I think we are closer than we were. And again, I'm not going to speculate on dates, but we do have another AMA that Forex is doing. So he did mention way back when that he was going to do a lot more AMAs leading up to the launch. So this will be the second one in like 2-3 days. So this one's coming up tomorrow for me. So the main point of this, just trying out the title, because that's what Google algorithm said on vidIQ, and want to get you guys feedback on if you're buying the dip drip, because this is the lowest that I have seen it. So from what I can tell on the buys and sells, not many people are buying. So I want to know you guys' thoughts in the comments. How low do you think it'll go before it reverses, or before the animal farm unpauses? I gave you my little spreadsheet the other day, so you can use that as a cheat sheet, but I also want to know you guys' take on it. So let me know in the comments what you think, and I'm going to beg and plead that you guys also help me get my subscriber count up, because that can help with the algorithm. So if you like the content and you've been around since day one with me, you know that I've been pushing out videos every single day since I got in. So like I said, one of the few, it's a great use, what do you call that? Case study that I've been putting out videos every day since way back here. So definitely hope that I'm providing value along the way. And if I am, I would appreciate that like and subscribe. All right, guys, until next time, lift daily and achieve your impossible. See ya.